feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Hi friends, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching some polishes that I got from Temu. They are from the brand XEIJAYI. First, I'm going to swatch this mortar palette. It's a Y2K palette. It is the only palette that I got, so I'll swatch that first, and then I'm going to swatch all of the polishes. So I don't really have much to say. This is just a swatch video. So if you're interested in any of the colors, then you know you have a reference right here. I did do another XEIJAYI polish swatch video before, and I will link that in the cards above, so you can check that out if you want to after you watch this video. Don't forget to like this video, hype this video, comment below if you've ever tried this brand before and if you like them or not, and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed. Hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and watching. I tried to make sure I included some good music, so I'll be back for the outro.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get to know me, baby. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want. Just not doing what I want.
Get some me time.
You doing what you want.
High volume, high volume.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience, and now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they painted. I love the way that you are. crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
Drop the roof and let the smoke. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing 60 slides in both ears. Ice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. Know she wanna rhyme when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself with Jay and count my fingers shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my pain, you selling action. These days, no Kumaye. Niggas be blasting. Living in the midst of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
And I know this much is true.
let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. What I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
And that is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed the music and all of the swatches. If you own any of these colors, let me know. I did find that maybe a few of them were dupes to some of the XEIJAYI polishes that I already have. I don't know if they were exact dupes, like they have the same color number, or if they just look really similar. So I won't be keeping those. There were about 4 of them. I won't be keeping those ones, but I really love those jelly colors at the bottom here on the screen. They're very, very pretty. With the one layer, they're really nice, just a wash of color. I did do 2 coats, so to get more, you know, opacity on the nail, and I think they are really pretty. They are actually my favorite ones that I swatched today in this video. Besides the palette that I swatched first, I really like the colors in that. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to, and hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Interact with the video by dropping me a comment below about the brand, or, you know, whatever you want to say today. If you don't have anything to say, then just leave me an emoji, a pink heart or something like that, so I know that you were here. Thank you all so much for watching again, and I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next video. Bye guys.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like